here is how we can attach the Apple Watch bands on the Apple Watch Series 11. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Anyways, the Apple Watch can detach the bands using the little buttons which are next to the connection. So it doesn't matter if you have the Ultra or 11 or any other series, you basically pay attention to the little small button which you need to click with your fingernail most likely, and it's gonna allow you to detach the bands and slide them out. So this is how you can remove the bands. However, if you have any new band which you want to connect, of course figure out the orientation so you can kind of like decide where the longer and shorter part goes, and this is up to you to figure it out or decide how exactly you want to wear it. But once you have made the decision, you can just slide it from the side like that. No problem should occur with that. No buttons need to be pressed while sliding, and all you have to do is just to wait for a little click which you might hear, and you should actually hear that, which is going to indicate that the band has been attached properly. So you do the same thing for the other side as well, where you slide it from the each side that you want. It doesn't matter if you slide it from the left or right, you just connect it like this, wait for the click, you pay attention, try to hear it, and then when you're done, you can see that it fits nicely and it's firmly in place. Again, if you would want to remove it again, you just hold down on the side or this little button there and slide it out. So it's really simple. That's how it's always been working. So if anything changes with the newer Apple Watch, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. And I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads as well.